Dear students, so we'll continue with exercise 5.3. So I am going to continue with the second main. First main already I have covered it in the introduction part, that is introduction part 2. So we'll continue with this. In this, the first main is second main first sub question, that is 7 plus 10 and half plus 14 plus till 84. We are talking about the arithmetic progression. The series will be there in the arithmetic progression, and first term is given, that is a is equal to 7. To find d, that is 10.5. the 10 and half is nothing but 10.5, and minus 7, that is succeeding minus preceding, that is 3.5. Now, so to find the sum, what is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. Okay, so to find the sum I need to know n. To know n, last term is given, that is 84. Yes or no? So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. So find the number of terms. Nth term is 84. Fine. What is a? 7 plus n I need to calculate. What is d? 3.5. So 10.5 minus 7 is nothing but 3.5. Now 84 I'll keep it as it is. 7 plus 3.5 n minus 3.5. Fine. So 84, 7 minus 3.5, remove 4, 3.5 plus 3.5 n. Okay, transfer it to the left hand side, that is 84 minus 3.5 is equal to 3.5 n, or else 3.5 n is equal to 84 minus 3.5, that is remove 4, add 0.5, that is 80.5. 80.5. So I'll continue here. N is equal to 80.5 divided by 3.5. If I remove decimal on both sides, see 805 divided by 35. Since the numbers are ending with 5, I'll continue with 5. 5 7s are 35. 5 1s are 5. 3 left. 5 6 are 30. 5 1s are 5. Next. 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. What left? 2 left. 21 7 3s are 21. Total number of terms will be 23 terms. Total number of terms will be 23 terms. Now I can find the sum, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. What is n here? N is 23 divided by 2. What is a? A is 7. What is l? L is 84. Fine. 23 divided by 2. 84 plus 7 is nothing but 91. Now multiply. So 91 into 23. 3 1s are 3. 3 9s are 27. 2 1s are 2. 2 9s are 18. 3 9 10 2093. 2093 divided by 2. It is nothing but 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12, 2 4. So that is 1046.5. Sn will be equal to, this is the sum. So please note this term. So second will be your homework. So you do it by yourself. I will solve third sub question. See, minus 5 plus or minus 8 plus or minus 11 up to plus or minus 230. Or this can be written as minus 5 plus into minus 8 to minus 11 plus up to minus 230. So to find the sum, so same thing, same procedure we need to follow. So what is that? To to find the sum, first term and last term is given. What will be the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus b. So E1 we need to know n. We know a here minus 5. What is d? Minus 8 minus of minus 5. Minus of succeeding minus preceding term, that is minus 8 plus 5 is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 is d. Now, so we need to calculate nth we need to calculate n. We know an. An is equal to minus 230. Okay. So what is an here? A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 230. Fine. Here what is a? Minus 5 plus what is n? I need to calculate minus 1. What is d here? Minus 3 is equal to minus 230. Now minus 5 plus, so wait, minus into plus minus 3n minus into minus plus 3 is equal to minus 230. Fine. So minus 5 plus 3 is nothing but minus 3n minus 2 is equal to minus 230. So next, minus 3n is equal to minus 230 plus 2. Here this minus will get cancelled. 3n is equal to wait, sorry. Directly I cannot cancel because two terms are there. Minus 3n is equal to minus 230 plus 2 minus 228. Now I can cancel. Okay. 3n is equal to 228 or else n is equal to 228 divided by 3. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 is 3 multiple, directly I can divide. 3 1 are 3. So 3 7 are 21, 3 6 are 18. So number of terms will be equal to 76. I can easily calculate the sum now. How can I calculate? The formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Okay. What is n here? N is 76. 76 divided by 2. What is a? A is nothing but minus 5. Last term is, so it will be minus 230. So 76 divided by 2 into minus 5 minus 230, or else 76 by 2 is equal to minus 235. So 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6, 2 8 are. So 38 into minus 235. Okay, calculate. 235, 38. 8 5s are 40. 4 carry. 8 3s are 24, 28. 2 carry. 8 2s are 16 plus 2, 18. 3 5s are 15. Carry 1. 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10. Carry 1. 3 2s are 6, 7. 0. 8 5 13, 9 7. So that will be equal to minus 7930. So what is the sum? Sum is equal to minus 7930. Please note this term. Sorry. See. 0 plus 0 0. 8 plus 5 13. Carry 1 9. 8 plus 1 9. So a1 plus 8 8. This will be. Please note this term. Make this correction. So third main. So first and second are easy. You can do it by yourself. First and second sub questions are easy. You can do it by yourself. Third sub question is A12 is equal to 37. D is equal to 3. Find the first term and the sum of 12 terms. So how I am going to do? Tell me. What is A12? A12 given. What is given to us? A12 is equal to 37. Fine. And even D is equal to 3. A12 can be written as A plus 11D is equal to 37. Fine. Now, what is A I need to calculate? 11 into D, in place of D I will write 3, is equal to 37. So A plus 33 is equal to 37. A is equal to 37 minus 33, or else A is equal to 4. A is equal to 4. Now I got A. I got first term as A is equal to 4. I need to calculate S12. What is S12? So n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. This is a formula. What is n here? N is 12. 12 by 2. 2 into what is A? A just now we calculated, that is 4, plus n is 12 minus 1 into D is 3. So 2 1 are 2 6. I will continue it there. Okay. 6 into 2 4s are 8. 12 minus 1 is nothing but 11. 11 into 3, 33. 8 plus 33. Is it right? 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 into 3, 33. 2 4s are 8. So 6 into 33 plus 8 is nothing but 41. 6 1s are 6. 6 4s are 24. That is 246. So A12 sum of 12 S12 sum of 12 terms is equal to 246. Please note this down. Fourth question. Given A3 is equal to 15, S10 is equal to 125, find D and A10. Now, what is given to us? A3. A3 can be written as A plus 2D is equal to 15. Neither I know A nor I know N, nor I know D. So, it's of no use. I'll keep it as it is. I'll make use of S10. S10 is equal to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So, we'll get two equations. We need to solve those linear equations. Then we'll get D and A. Through D and A, we need to calculate A10. That's it. So, what is N here? N is 10. 10 divided by 2. So 2A plus 10 minus 1 into D. Fine. 2 1s are 2 5s are 5 into 2A plus this 10 is 125, right? I'll write it. 2A plus 90. Now 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. So 25 is equal to 2A plus 90. I'll call it as equation 1 and I'll call it as equation 2. Okay. So equation 2 minus equation 1. So 2A plus 90 is equal to 25. 2A plus 90 is equal to 25. And A plus 2D is equal to 15. So we need to make the equations equal. So to solve that, see, multiply equation 2. Instead of that, we need to multiply equation 2 with 2 so that we can make these terms equal. So 1 into 2. So 2A plus 90 is equal to 25. So I am multiplying this. 2A plus 4D is equal to 15 2s are 30. Fine. Minus minus minus. 2A will get cancelled. 9 minus 4 5D. So 25 minus 30 are minus. This is minus 5. So D is equal to minus 1. D is equal to minus 1. Now I need to find A. a plus 2d is equal to 15. A plus 2 into minus 1 is equal to 15. A minus 2 is equal to 15. A is equal to 17. A is equal to 17. That is the first term. Now I need to calculate. I got D. I need to calculate A10. A10 is equal to A plus 9D. What is A? A is 17 plus 9 into what is D? D is minus 1. Fine. 17 minus 9, which is equal to 17 minus 9 is nothing but A10 is equal to 8. That's it. So what we did, the basic thing was we should know how to solve linear equations. So why I multiplied 1 into 2? Because I need to adjust one of the term so as to cancel it. So two unknowns are there. We need to cancel out one unknown so that we can find one variable. After finding this, we can place this in one of the equation, then we can find the other value. Understood? Please note this down. We will continue with the third main, 10th question. Given L is nothing but last term, L is equal to 28, and the sum of terms is equal to 144, and there are total 9 terms. What we need to calculate? We need to calculate the first term. See, L is given, N is given, and the sum of the terms is given. We need to calculate A. Before calculating A, we need to know D. We don't know D. See, so L is equal to 28. S9 is equal to 144 because there are 9 terms. N is equal to 9. And so using this, how can we proceed? See, in CBSE usually there is no particular pattern of questions. So based on the concept they can ask any questions. So please be thorough with the concept so that you can solve any problem. Now L is equal to 28. L is nothing but A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 28. I don't know A. What is N? 9 minus 1. D we don't know. 28. A plus 9 minus 1 is nothing but 8D is equal to 28. Fine. So I'll call it as equation 1. Next, S9 is equal to 9 by 2, 2A plus 9 minus 1 into D. Fine. Now S9 is nothing but 144. S9 is 144. 9 divided by 2 into 2A plus 8D. 2A plus 8D. Now 144 is equal to 9 by 2. Here I'll take 2 outside. 2 A plus 4D. A plus 4D. 2 get cancels. 144 is equal to 9A plus 4D. Fine. I'll call it as equation. So 9A, sorry. 9A plus 9 into 4, 36D. Right? Right. Now I'll call it as equation number 2. Now equation 1, here A is there, here 9A is there. To make it 9A, what should I multiply? I should multiply equation 1 with 9. So 9A plus 36D is equal to 144, and A plus 8D is equal to 28. Fine. So what we said, we need to multiply the first equation by 9. So what is the first equation? See, 9 into a, 9a, plus 9 into 8, 72d, is equal to 9 into 28. 9 multiplied 9 8 ja 72, carry 7. 9 2 is 18 plus 7, 25. 18 plus 7 is nothing but 25. Minus, minus, minus. 9a, 9a will get cancelled. 12 minus 6, 6. 6 minus 3, 3. So minus. So minus is greater. 252 minus 144 means. So in this 252 is greater. And it is associated with the negative sign. So that I'll keep negative sign. So subtract bigger minus smaller. 12 minus 4, 8. 4 minus 4, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. Now, this is 3060. Point 3060. D is equal to this minus will get cancelled. 108 divided by 36. See, we know that in 6 multiple, 6 3s are 18, the number is ending with 8. So we should check for 3. 36 3s are 3 6 are 8, 18, carry 1, 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10. So 36 1s are 36, 3s are. D is equal to 3. I know D. So calculating A will be easier because I will make use of this one. A plus 8D is equal to 28. So A plus 8 into D is nothing but 3 is equal to 28. A is equal to 28. 8 into 3 is nothing but 24. So A is equal to. So please note this down. Dear children, see, third main I have solved only few questions. Which are the questions which I have left? Please solve it on your own. If you have any difficulty, please try to contact me. And fourth and fifth are easy, quite easy, which are similar to the third main. And sixth, I am going to solve it for you. So please look at it. The first and the last term of AP are 17 and 350 respectively. If common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? See, before we find the sum, we need to know number of terms. To know the number of terms, one hint we have is the last term is given. That is, so first we'll write down the data given. A is 17, that is first term, and last term is 350, and even they have given common difference, that is D is 9. We need to find N as well as we need to find Sn. Okay. Now, so L is equal to 350. What is L? A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 350. Fine. So what is A here? 17 plus N I don't know, I need to calculate. D is 9 is equal to 350. 17 plus 9N minus 9 is equal to 350. Okay. 17 minus 9 is nothing but 8. 9N plus 8 is equal to 350. 9N is equal to 350 minus 8. 9N is equal to 350 minus 8 is nothing but 342. So our N is equal to 342 divided by 9. 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. 9 is 9 multiple, 9 1s are 9, so it can be divisible by 9. 9 1s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 34 minus 27 is nothing but 7, 72. 9 8s are 72. N is equal to 38. So the total number of terms are 38. Now I need to calculate S38 because total 38 terms are there. We need to find the series ka sum. So S38 is equal to N divided by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. S38 in 38, N is 38 divided by 2, 2 into 17, A is 17 plus 38 minus 1 into 9, D is 9. 2 1 za 2 19 za 19 into 2 17 za 34 plus 38 minus 1 is nothing but 37. 37 multiplied by 9. So 19 into 34 plus 9 7 za 63, 6 carry, 9 3 za 27 plus 6 33. 9 7 za 63, 6 carry, 9 3 za 27 plus 6 33. Now 19 into 4 plus 3 7, 3 plus 3 6, 367. Now I can write it as 20 minus 1 into 367. 300 is there, double it 600. 60 is there, double it 120. 600 plus 120 is nothing but 720 plus 7 double it 14. See, 300 if you double it 600. 60 you double it 120. 7 if you double it 14. So it will be equal to 734. 7340 minus 367. So 10 minus 7 3. 13 minus 6 7. 2. 12 minus 3 9. 6973. S38 is 6973. What did I do here? Instead of multiplying it with 19, I made use of, so I replaced 19 with 20 minus 1. So multi 367, double it means 2 times. So how can I double it? So first double the 300, 600, 120, 720 plus 14, 734 and 367 as it is. You can get it. Please note this down. Dear students, we will continue with the 7th question. Before that, see in the last problem, so we simplified the calculations. So even if you want to simplify your calculation, you should practice a lot. So if you practice, you can easily do the simplification, or else it will be difficult. Please do the practice. Next, find the sum of 22 terms of AP in which D is equal to 7 and 22nd term is 149. So, what is given to us? Number of terms is given, that is 22. Okay. And even they have given 22nd term, that is last term, that is 149. And even they have given D is equal to 7. What is unknown? Unknown is A. Can we calculate using this particular data? See, L is equal to, that is last term, is equal to 149. This is A plus N minus 1 into D. Fine. Is equal to 149. What is A here? 7. No, sorry. A we need to calculate. What is N? 22. Minus 1. What is D? D is 7. Is equal to 149. Next. A plus 22 minus 1 is 21 into 7 into 1 is equal to 149. So 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. 147 is equal to 149. Or A is equal to 149 minus 147. Or A is equal to 2. Okay, we got A. Now calculating the sum will be easy. S22 is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. See, this is one of the easiest chapter where we use only two formula, that is last term formula and sum formula. And only if you know the basics, solving this chapter will be easy. N 22 divided by 2. 2 into what is A? Just now we got 2. Plus 22 minus 1 into 7. 2 1 is 2 11 is 11 into 2 2 is 4 plus 22 minus 1, 21 into 7, just now we calculated, that is 147, right? 21 into 7 is nothing but 147. 11 into 147 plus 4 is nothing but 151. 11 1 is 11, carry 1. 11 5 is 55 plus 1 is nothing but 56, carry 1, carry 5. 11 1 is 11, 11 plus 5 is 16, 1661. So sum of 22 terms is 1661. Please note this term.